Welcome to our May 2025 construction update for the Tamar Estuary River Health Action Plan, a once-in-a-generation investment in Launceston's future that's focused on improving the health of the Kannamalooka-Tamar Estuary. At the heart of this work is our upgrade at the Tea Tree Bend Sewage Treatment Plant, where we're building new infrastructure to better manage Launceston's sewage during wet weather events. And right now, that work is really starting to take shape. One of the most visible signs of progress is our new 10 megalitre underground storage tank, which will hold the equivalent of 4 Olympic-sized swimming pools of sewage during storms, reducing overflows to the river and helping protect water quality. In March, we completed the large concrete base that supports the tank. Now, the tank walls are going up and we're on track to finish them this month. This has been a major achievement. So far, our project partner, Osborne Projects, has poured nearly 2,500 cubic metres of structural concrete. That's enough to fill 75 shipping containers. Installed over 500 tonnes of reinforcing steel, the same weight as 330 standard cars. Begun lining the tank interior with tough polythene layer to protect the concrete from harsh sewage conditions, helping the tank last for decades. We've also begun installing the network of pipes that will connect the tank to the broader sewer system. These are made from steel, polyethylene and glass reinforced plastic, chosen to suit Launceston's varied ground conditions. Over the coming months, we'll lay more than 500 metres of new pipework, move 25,000 tonnes of soil around the tank, equivalent to over 2,000 tipper truckloads. This soil has been reused from previous works where we strengthened it with cement to improve its durability and water resistance. In May, we'll be filling part of the new tank with over 2 million litres of recycled effluent to test for leaks and structural strength. Using recycled water instead of treated drinking water is a smart, sustainable way to test the tank without placing extra demand on Launceston's drinking supply. Every major piece of infrastructure needs a power supply, and our new tank is no different. We've partnered with Tasmanian contractors Bartek Switchboards and TasBuild Homes to deliver a new electrical switch room built off-site in Westbury. The building is 18 metres long, 5 metres wide and weighs nearly 50 tonnes. It will soon be craned into place at Tea Tree Bend. Behind me is where we will install the switch room, which will supply power to the new storage tank. This switch room will power the pumps, valves, instruments and safety systems that keep the new tank operating reliably for the long term. We've had a busy and productive start to 2025 and there's plenty more to come. In the months ahead, we'll start installing the mechanical, electrical and control systems that bring the tank to life. These works are an essential part of delivering a healthier estuary and a more resilient future for Launceston. We look forward to sharing more updates as construction continues. For more information, visit taswater.com.au or follow us on our social media channels.